we are advancing India's healthcare sector into the digital world. I want to tell you about a friend of mine, Muna. He's a father of two and a local taxi driver. Muna wakes up one morning to his screaming daughter who is woken with a stomachache. Being the good father Muna is, he takes a day off work with a day's lost wage to take her to see the doctor. Muna has to then fight the large volume and dense traffic, where he will then join the 200 plus other people waiting to see the doctor, risking further infection for his daughter and himself. Muna has a 90% chance that his daughter is going to be prescribed medication or diagnostic, adding to further wait time and further cost. At the end of the consult, Muna will be handed a written piece of paper in doctor's handwriting as a consult record, which will then add to the paper lying around his house. So how do we go about solving a problem for the 120 million people like Muna? We build a platform that allows accessing healthcare professionals easier and more cost effective. Netik Quick Clinic offers patients a low-cost way of accessing doctors via electronic medical record guided teleconsults, e-prescribing, medication and diagnostic delivery, and the creation and secure storage of medical records. Since starting the Spark Accelerator, we've pivoted away from B2C into a B2B. We've since signed contracts with 2 large hospital chains to deliver follow-up teleconsults through the Netik platform. We've also signed a contract with a large diagnostic provider to include our subscription within their corporate wellness packages. But doing business in India is hard, especially alone. So what we did was we created a network of deep partnerships which led to an ecosystem allowing us to solve a problem for such a large population. This hard work has been recognised both in Australia and India. So how do we make money? We generate revenue through the sale of a 500 rupees, approximately $10 subscription, as well as a fee per user. We have, after a lot of research, narrowed our focus down to a manageable 4.5 million population within the Greater Noida region. But when accessing healthcare in India, there's a range of options. What it comes down to is a choice of trade-off: time, money, or quality. We are providing a solution which reduces these trade-offs. My co-founder Michael and I have been focusing on India for over 5 years, and we have developed the skills required to grow and become successful in this large population. Michael has been awarded top 100 most impactful healthcare leaders 2 years running by the Times of India. I have prior experience rolling a product out in India as well as managing Indian teams. If you'd like to know more about what we're doing at Netik Clinic and what we're doing in India, please reach out for a chat. Thank you.